For realms, no morning bell, no homework. No shoes either. Mom said we don't have to wear shoes until September.
September's a million years away.
That's the best part.
Hey, Maya, what's your favorite summer thing?
Sprinklers, lemonade stands, catching fireflies in a jar.
Fireflies are just stars that got bored.
That's dumb, but true.
I like stomping in puddles when the hose is on, and water, Melon, and when the ice cream truck plays that song.
And the beach, sandcastles, chasing waves until your legs fall off. Almost.
They don't fall off. Do you think summer ever ends?
It does, but then it comes back.
Promise?
Promise.